Good morning, dear student. Now we come to the third part of this chapter, atom and molecule, that is the molecular mass and formula unit mass. First, I come to the molecular mass. I hope you have done the atomic mass, and I have told you to write the table of valency and practice of chemical formula. Now, Betaji, what is molecular mass? Like the atomic mass, the mass of atom, and you know that atom is very small, so that's why we calculate the mass of atom with as compared with the carbon 12. We have taken the standard carbon 12. Same in the case of molecular mass. The molecular mass is also we calculate as a relative mass. Molecular mass of a substance is the average atomic mass of its molecule. You must know we have done the molecule of an element and molecule of compound. This is H2 is molecule of element and HCl is molecule of compound. This is homoatomic and this is heteroatomic. Recall the previous things. As compared to that of an atom of carbon 12. So, there are homoatomic molecule and heteroatomic molecule also. How we will calculate the molecular mass? Very common. First we take the simple one. What is the molecular mass of hydrogen? This hydrogen molecule is consist of two atoms of hydrogen. Okay. So what is the mass? 2 into 1. The mass of one hydrogen is 1. So 2 hydrogen it will be 2. Fine. What is the mass of Cl2? The Cl2 is 1 chlorine atom is 35.5 and 2 chlorine combined Cl2 it will be 71. Same the mass unit we will write it here like atomic mass हम लिखते हैं ऐसे we will write for the chlorine. This is unit mass unit. Now we will take the larger compound. Simple, we have taken here calculate the molecular mass of C12H22O11. We will calculate the molecular mass of C12H22O11. This is how we will calculate. What is the way to calculate it? Simple. Now you can see I have written here in this C12H22O11 you can see the carbon is 12, hydrogen is 22 and oxygen is 11. We will take the mass of each and we will multiply it with this number and then we will add it. Carbon is 12, carbon 12 and the atomic mass of carbon is also 12. Fine. Plus then we come to hydrogen. How many hydrogen are there? 22 bache. And atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Then we come to oxygen. Oxygen is 11 and atomic mass of the oxygen is 16. हमने ये तीनों ले लिए. After taking these three, we have to add this. हम इसको add कर देंगे. Fine. So it will be the atomic mass of the C12H22O11. Now we come to the formula unit mass. You can calculate it your own and you will tell me. Now next is the formula unit mass. It is very important. What is the formula unit mass? Now we come to formula unit mass. You must remember beta ji that we calculate the formula unit mass for the ionic compound. हम formula unit mass calculate करते हैं ionic compound के लिए. Why? We calculate the formula unit mass in the same way as we calculate the atomic mass. So what is formula unit mass? The formula unit mass of a substance is sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in one formula unit of compound. We take the common example of ionic compound sodium chloride. Fine beta. The sodium chloride is a crystal. It is a crystal. You know that this sodium chloride consists of many sodium ions and chloride ions. But the number of sodium ion and chloride ion is same. That's because 1 unit positive charge sodium is having and 1 unit negative charge chloride is having. So it is like this. What is the structure of crystal lattice? 1 sodium, 1 chlorine, 1 sodium, 1 chlorine, 1 sodium, 1 chlorine, like same. This. You can see here. Fine. So they are formed like this. You can see sodium, chlorine, chlorine, sodium, sodium, chlorine, chlorine, sodium. They are arranged in a fixed pattern. This is called crystal.